Welcome back to my channel Wealth with Seema. I'm back here with the third point in our 9-point action plan for financial well being. So, before going into the third point, let me talk about what was the first and second point for the people who just joined in this video. So, the first point is spend after save. Now, you want to know how that can be done and how to achieve it? Just go and click on the video for that, and the link is being provided in the description in this video. Second point is pay off or be away from bad debts. Now, to know what are the bad debts and how can you avoid bad debts or how can you come out of the bad debts, I have discussed in detail about this in my second video, pay off or be away from bad debts. The link is again given in the description below. Now, coming to the third step. So, we are moving closer to our 9-point action plan of being financially healthy. So, the third point is get adequate and pure insurance policies. What do you mean by pure and adequate insurance policies? Now, just think for a second. You all will have some or the other insurance policies. Now, why do you buy insurance policies? Because somebody would have told you, or you have seen some advertisement, or for income tax saving, or you have your friend or relative who is an insurance agent and you want to sell some insurance policy. So, or you have some investment attached with it. So, don't think about insurances when such things come. That is where it is called pure insurance policies. Insurance policies are for protection against different emergencies. So that is where we suggest that take adequate or pure insurance policies. Now, you all will be taking vehicle insurance. Why do we take a vehicle insurance? Because otherwise we are not allowed to drive on the road. There is our savior police standing there to collect the penalty. And nowadays penalties cost more than insurance. So is just give a thought. Is vehicle important or your life is important? So insurance are setting aside a small amount of money so that your big emergencies are taken care. And another thing what we will tell about insurance is pay the premium and pray to God that this money goes waste. Can you understand the meaning behind this? Pay the premium and pray to God that this money goes waste. Correct, right? If this money is not going to go waste, then you have some emergency. Correct. So you also would have seen a lot of, now you would have understood the meaning of that, what I told. So now what is the requirement for insurance? Array, what is this lady talking here about pure insurance emergency? Yeah, haven't you seen your near or dear ones suffering because of if one family member is affected by some medical emergency? Just because they don't have an adequate insurance to claim. I say that at least one such occurrence you would have all seen in your life. So think about it, whether I'm talking sense or nonsense. So insurance is setting aside small amount of money so that your big emergencies are taken care. Why do you need a life insurance? Just assume what is the situation of your family. When you're not there, how are they going to be shattered without any financial support? Will anybody like to have that? Will we even pray that our near and dear ones should suffer in our absence? No one would like to do that, right? So if you don't want to do that, is where we talk about pure life insurance or term insurance policies, which is going to protect your near and dear ones in your absence. So next is the medical emergency. See, that also you would have easily seen. At least if you have not seen, you would have seen during the corona how a family is getting shattered if one person is affected with a medical emergency if they are not protected with a medical insurance. This happens every now and then, or if not, it has happened a lot of times in the corona. If not you, I have seen that. So, this is the reason why we say that you need to go in for a medical insurance. Now, talking about them, there are six different types of insurances that should be made mandatory everywhere around the globe. What are they? Life insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance, personal accident coverage, critical illness coverage, home insurance. Life insurance covers your family against your you against your life. Health insurance covers you and your family's health emergency. Third one is vehicle, covering for your vehicle damages. Fourth one is personal accident. Why is it required? See, nowadays there will not be anybody who don't know to ride even a small vehicle. Take it a two-wheeler, be it a four-wheeler or whatever wheeler it is. Everyone needs to drive, huh? And so the occurrences of accidents are just like that, and within a second you can hear how many ambulance screaming on the roads. So you meet with an accident, or anybody in the family meet with an accident. There are many things. Either you're no more, then your life insurance comes into picture, helping the family against their financial needs, or personal accident coverage in case you become partially disabled. How to protect you and your family. This is when this comes into picture. Next is critical illness. Critical illness like cancer, heart emergencies are becoming costlier and costly. So God forbid, nobody in the family should be affected with such critical illness. But if they get affected, see, emergencies don't come with invitation. Yeah, I'm coming on so and so day at this Mahorat. Be careful or get away from me. No, and there is no assurance that what happens in the next moment. So in this case, critical illness insurance comes into picture in the medical expenses of that family member can be taken care with the critical illness. Next is home insurance. If you want to make your home sweet home, so you need to protect your home from all the different emergencies or natural calamities. So the losses born at the time of natural calamity or some losses in your home can be retrieved if your home is insured. So these are the six different insurances actually should be made mandatory. Now, why do you want to? What do you mean by adequate? Adequate is nothing but a required amount. You should not be insured more, neither you should be insured less. So there are various ways to find out how much of money should go into life insurance, how much should go into health insurance, should go into the other insurance. Now, if you are talking about that, ideally speaking, 5% of your income per month should be set aside for your insurance needs. That means if you're earning rupees 1 lakh per month, 3,000 to 5,000 rupees should be set aside to pay off your premiums for all these insurances. So that is what is called adequate. So now, if you need and help in understanding whether you are correctly insured, adequately insured, I suggest you go to some financial planner, personal financial planner, who will help you by understanding your income and your liabilities, your cash flows, and see if you are adequately insured. And if you feel that I am also right person to consult, my my calendar link is provided in the description below. You can click and book an appointment. Actually, I give a 30-minute free discovery call to you, to everybody, those who want to become financially healthy, to make you understand whether you are financially healthy or not. So if you feel I'm good enough, you can book my calendar so that I'll come online and I can suggest what are all the drawbacks or how are you good in your financial background. So this is the third point. Get adequate and pure insurance policies for you and your family. So we have completed 3 action points for achieving your financial well-being. So we have 6 more to go. I think you are all excited. So if you are excited, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I come up with the next videos in the series. Also share it with your friends and family so that you're spreading the word and let everybody be financially healthy in this world. So I hope you are enjoying this series. So see you again in the next video. Until then, I take a leave. Adieu. Bye.